I, Akanksha Mishra, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering, Kalinga University, Naya Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Department of CS and IT has introduced 45 days internship program on Internet of Things for the students of MTech, BTech, BSc, MSc, MCA, BCA and diploma students. This IoT internship program is highly innovative and unique program built with the intention of enriching the knowledge for the knowledge-seeking student as well as working professionals. In this 45 days internship program, we are providing 8 modules with the highly practical knowledge as well as working projects. So this is my urge to all the students from the computer science department from India and abroad to join this 45 days internship program and get the maximum benefit out of it. Thank you.